Hi, I'm Benji and I'm an applications engineer here at IMI. Have you ever had a cylinder lying around with no part number, no label and no idea what it is? It's a common problem, but in a few simple steps we can solve it together. First, let's find the bore size. This is the internal diameter of the cylinder body. The easiest way to do this is to take your cylinder and take a ruler and measure the distance between the mounting holes at the rear of the cylinder. Once you've got this measurement, you can go online to our data sheet and find this diagram. Then you can come down to this table below here, have a look for your measurement, and look for the corresponding bore size. On our ISO standard range of cylinders, we offer bore sizes from 32mm all the way up to 125mm. We can also offer special sizes that go all the way up to a 320mm. Next, we want to find the stroke of our cylinder. To find the stroke of our cylinder, what we want to do is take our ruler and put it down on the table like so, put the cylinder next to it, and ensure that when the cylinder is fully in-stroked, the piston rod lines up with 0 on our ruler. Next, we're going to want to do is manually outstroke the cylinder fully. Take a note of how far along the ruler the cylinder outstrokes, and that's going to be the stroke of your cylinder. On our ISO ranges, we offer stroke lengths from 5mm all the way up to 2800mm as standard. Once you've got those two key dimensions, bore and stroke, you have what you need to find a replacement cylinder. Here at IMI, we're experts in motion control, so if you have a mystery part or a tough application challenge, please get in touch. We're here to help.